YouTube isn't easy. In fact, it's almost impossible to do alone. If you're just starting out, I'm going to share a list of content creators who've helped me on my journey. And at the end, I'll show you how I believe I can help you. Everybody has to start somewhere, but I'll say with almost 100% certainty that everybody starts YouTube alone. That's when the doom scroll begins, searching for creators who can help you figure it out. A lot of us end up finding the same names, but sometimes the most powerful help comes from creators you'd never expect. Now, creator confidence and motivation. For me, that starts with Brian Harder. Brian's a 65-year-old retired mailman who started YouTube as a hobby. He's raw, authentic, and genuinely funny. Watching him talk about his life and struggles has helped me build confidence in what I'm doing. He's not in my niche and he's not teaching YouTube strategy, but the pride and authenticity in how he carries himself is motivating as hell. Brian, thanks for everything. You keep posting and I'll keep watching. The second one in this category is Peter McKinnon. Peter started out as a freelance photographer and has built an incredible YouTube career. His storytelling, visuals, and transitions are next level. If you go back to his early videos, you'll see just how far he's come. His growth reminds me of what's possible when you stay consistent and keep moving. Peter, if you ever see this, thank you for the inspiration. You guys leave a comment and tell me who motivates you. Which creators keep you going when you start to doubt yourself? Second category, YouTube growth. Now, let's talk about channels that focus on how to grow. First up is Ty Myers. Ty is relatively new to YouTube, but he's growing fast. His videos feel personal. He talks about the same struggles most of us face. Ty is also running one-on-one coaching and already building a strong name in the growth space. If you want real talk instead of guru nonsense, Ty's your guy. Then there's Rob the Maritimer, a fellow Canadian. Rob's delivery is calm, professional, and easy to listen to. He's been doing this for years and it shows. He hosts weekly lives, gives advice for free, and also offers courses and coaching. If YouTube growth is what you're after, Rob is definitely a subscription worth adding. Comment below and tell me who your go-to growth guys are. I'm always looking for new creators to learn from. Category 3, YouTube as a business. If your goal is to turn YouTube into a business, these next two are must follows. First up, Adam Ivy. Adam doesn't sugarcoat a thing. He's high energy, real, and gets straight to the point. He's already built one successful channel, and now he's building another, teaching people like you and me how to grow business around YouTube. Then there's Ed Lawrence. Ed's approach is calm, thoughtful, and strategic. He made me think differently about content and business. In one of his videos, he said, do you have a YouTube channel you want to turn into a business, or a business that has a YouTube channel? The line stuck with me. It changes how you think about what kind of creator you want to be. It really hit home. Now, if this video helped you, gave you a few new channels to check out, subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot more content coming to help you guys get where you want to be. Now, I said at the start that I'd tell you how I can help you too. So I'm building something called the Uncut Creator Circle, a community where creators can help each other out, share ideas, and build friendships that keep you motivated and growing. You can join the waitlist now. When you do, you'll get a free PDF to help you define your audience, plus a chance to tell me what struggles you're facing so I can build resources to help solve them. That's it for today, guys. Start simple, shoot smarter, go faster, and I'll see you in the next one.